Canto has added annotation options so that you can illustrate key points without using a separate app. Let's learn how to use this new feature. In your Canto library, go ahead and click on an image that you want to annotate. Now click on this Comments Annotation icon here in the upper left corner. Now simply click on a part of the image that you want to leave specific feedback for. You'll see this comments box pop up on top of the image. You can start typing to leave notes about the image. That includes using the @ symbol to tag members of your team or groups. Imagine using an annotation to follow up with your editing team to make sure they make the requested tweaks to an image. For collaborators on the team, they'll receive an email and notification when you've tagged them in an annotation. Then they'll be able to go in and review the annotations and react accordingly. Canto also has comments for the overall file, but think of annotations as an opportunity to point out specifics on the image. Annotations can help remove any confusion or lack of clarity about what needs to get tweaked. Now, just in case you couldn't see the annotations feature on your preview image, you may need to turn an option on in the settings. Jumping over to the settings, click on the Configuration Options tab, and then click Defaults on the left side. Scroll down in this page and then tick to allow annotations on your preview image. Click Save, and if the icon was missing, it should now show when previewing an image. Annotations are yet another feature that can remove separate apps from your workflow and make Canto a one-stop shop for uploading, reviewing, and collaborating. Thanks for watching.